days ago. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's definitely the male.
Chartreuse. It's because I couldn't set the hook, so I just put it like really loose on there.
Alright. Buy some of those
Nice bass now.
today and go home. And,
Yeah,
like,
dude.
Come back tomorrow.
Honestly though, everything I've caught here has been on like just natural color. So.
Shit. You snapped my line.
Really?
Caught him over there.
Look, you snapped right here.